Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Social Science class. And this class, we know that it is a Zen for political science. So we are the discussion of the chapter number 1. It is power sharing. Power sharing, right? In the last class, we concluded with different types of power sharing or forms of power sharing, right? Right? One is the vertical form of power sharing and the horizontal form of power sharing. Completed both of those things, right? Yes or no? Tell me, no answers from anyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So tell me, what is the vertical division of power sharing? What is that? Who is able to speak about it? Vertical power sharing. What is that? Lakshminanda is enjoying like anything. Lakshminanda? Hmm? You are watching any comedy movies along with the class?
No, sir, my mother came in between.
Mother came in between. So mother is the comedy or she made the comedy? Huh? Lakshmi?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, fine. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully, everyone. So yesterday we discussed about two forms of power sharing. One is the horizontal power sharing. The other one is a vertical power sharing. Horizontal power sharing in the sense sharing the powers among the organs of the government. Okay, is that correct, Mr. Sean? Mr. Sean, is that correct? Is that correct or not? Yes, it seems. Okay, I got a thumbs up there. Okay, see, he says it is correct. Okay, so what are the organs of the government, Minha? What are the organs of the government? Minha Salim of 10C?
Sir, judiciary,
Ah,
executive,
ah,
legislature.
legislature. Okay, legislature, executive, and judiciary. The law-making body, the law enforcing body, the law interpreting body. Right or not? Clear or not? So we know that. So special powers are there for all these organs of the government. Organs of the government. Right. Okay. So power is not concentrated with the legislature, or it is not concentrated with the executive, or it is not concentrated with the judiciary. It is separated. Okay, division of power is there. It is always helpful in a democracy, okay, for protecting the rights of the people in the country. Clear or not? Clear or not? If all the powers is enjoying one by a few people or a single person means he will, or the group of people will do the things as per their wish. Clear or not? Okay, they will not give freedom to others. They will not give freedom to others. But power is divided means everyone is able to enjoy the rights in the country. So that's what democracy always standing for, power sharing, and always it is supporting the idea of power sharing. That's what we discussed in a horizontal power sharing. Next one, vertical power sharing. Okay, Eva George, what is vertical power sharing? Eva George is surprised, stunned. Tell me, Eva, what is vertical surprise? Sorry, vertical surprise. It's not vertical surprise. Vertical power sharing. Come on, fast. Come on. Sanya Jin is waiting for the answer, Eva. Come on, fast.
Power is shared vertically to
Sharing.
vertically.
Power is sharing vertically. Cut that into pieces, right? How to cut it? Huh? Tell me. It is a division of power among the different levels of government, right? Yes or no? Different levels of government.
Lower level and
What are they?
lower level of government and higher level and lower.
Lower level government, higher level government, medium level government. Is that correct? What are the levels of government in India? Tell me.
Sir,
What are the levels?
Central government,
Yeah, it is a central government, correct, Minha? Then
state government,
state governments. Okay, then
And government.
local.
local self-governments, correct. In the case of Belgium, we studied that, right? So Belgium made a government for the entire country. Okay, entire country, that is the central government, right? And next one for the different provinces. For the Dutch-speaking people, one area. For the French-speaking people, another area. Okay, so that is another division. Next one for the different languages, language groups, for the linguistic groups. Okay, clear or not? For the German speaking, Dutch speaking, and French-speaking people. French-speaking people. Like that in India also, we have three division of the government or three levels of the government: the central government or the union government. Okay. In this system, the central government is termed as the federal government. In India, we will use a term union government or the central government. Clear? Union government or the central government. Next, it is state governments in India. State governments in India. Another division, it is the local self-governments. Local self-governments. In each locality, we are able to find village panchayats are there, municipalities are there, municipal corporations are there, right? Okay, so power is giving to almost all the people as possible in the country. Clear or not? Clear or not? Giving chances to almost all the people to participate in the decision making or holding power in the government. Clear? Clear? So that is called as vertical power sharing. Vertical power sharing. So we discussed about horizontal power sharing and vertical power sharing, and you wrote two questions too, right? Okay, and I am receiving, received some answers by some students. I am using this opportunity to, what you can say, Mr. Fizan. Okay, appreciate Mr. Fizan there. So regularly, he is sending the answers there. Some students also are there. Regularly, they are sending the answers, but 2-3 days they miss their answers. But Fizan, regularly, he is doing that. Okay. So I'm using this opportunity to appreciating Mr. Fizan, and regularly he will making what you can say audio messages. Okay, he will not allow me to eat. He will not allow me to sleep. He will not allow me to bath. That's what Mr. Fizan. Okay, always doubt will be there. Always, that's good. I am appreciating that. Okay, you have to be. Okay, you have to ask. No problem at all. Okay, so everyone, just every day, clear your doubts and move forward. Okay, so we discussed about the horizontal power sharing and the vertical power sharing, and now we are moving to it, the third system or third type of power sharing. Here you can see in page number 9. Okay, so here we completed these two things there, right? So write those questions there. Already wrote that. What is horizontal power sharing and what is vertical power sharing? Yes, you got that or not? The ideas are clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So moving to the third one. Power may also be shared among different social groups. Okay, power may be also divided among different social groups. How can we divide power among the different social groups? We know that in a society, okay, like India, there are different social groups are there. Okay, a country like India, we are able to find that there are numerous number of social groups are there. It is very difficult to give power for all these groups of people. But in a democracy, the governments will try to do so. Clear? Clear? Okay, you know that linguistic groups are there, religious groups are there. Everyone want to enjoy the power there. Okay, clear? Majority also want to lead a good life. The same time, minorities also want to lead a good life in the society. So it is the responsibility of the government to protect the rights and wills of the minorities. Clear? So government will share the power among the minorities too. So for that, we can say, we know that women and economically or socially backward classes. Okay, women and economically and socially backward classes. Okay, if you are observing, so we are able to speak, or you people are able to give me names of number of political leaders, basically males, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What about female leaders? Do you know the names of some female leaders from different political parties in Kerala? I'm asking from Kerala. Do you know?
No, sir.
No idea. No idea.
Yes, sir.
No idea. So sad. So sad. So who is the present health minister of Kerala?
Shailaja.
Shailaja.
Shailaja, right? Fine. Okay, so she's a lady, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you don't know that. Every day the news are there related with the COVID-19 and the activities of the state government. Okay, and Shailaja teacher's names always will be there on the newspapers, and you're saying you don't know any names there, right? Right? Very sad. Very sad. Okay. So you can say Shailaja teacher, one name that is every day that coming in the newspaper. But what about another leaders? An idea?
Yes, sir.
An idea? Tell me then. Okay. Who is the Minister of Fisheries Department in Kerala?
Mary Kuti.
Mary Kuti. Who is that? It's not Mary Kuti. Mercy Kuti. Okay. Mercy Kuti Amma. Okay. You changed the name. Mary Kuti. Fine. It's not that anyway. Okay. Fine. Any other names? Any other names? Any other leaders? I'm not asking about one single party. Other parties are there, right? Okay, but it is very rare, right? Okay, their participation in the political field, it is limited or not that much. Okay, so it is important to provide chances for women to participate in the decision making, right? That's why we can say that reserved seats are there for women. Okay, seats that reserved for women for the elections, for different elections, for the local self-election, for the state legislative election, and for the election for the parliament. Okay, so reserved seats are there for them because their participation in the government and their participation in the decision making, it is comparatively lesser than of males. Okay, so special care are there, or case the government providing special care, the government providing to make them participate in the decision making. Clear? Okay, next one, economically backward classes or socially backward classes. We know that scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, okay, basically the tribal people, their participation in the political arena also very less. To protect the economically and socially backward classes like SCs and STs, again, other reserved constituencies are there for them too. Okay, they are also able to participate in election. Okay, and they can become members in the government. I mean, in the law-making body also. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay, this is what sharing the power among the different social groups. So provisions are there. So we can read here. Power may also be shared among different social groups, such as the religious and the linguistic groups. Community government in Belgium is a good example for this arrangement. Underline that. So community government in Belgium and the local self-government in India are the best examples for power providing to religious or linguistic groups. In some countries, there are constitutional and legal arrangements whereby socially weaker sections and women are represented in the legislature and administration. Underline that too. Reserved constituencies in assemblies, I mean the state assembly elections and the parliament for our country, this type of arrangement is meant to give space in the government and administration to diverse social groups who otherwise would. This method is used to give minority communities a fair share in power. Okay, so this reserved constituencies is a method that following by the government to accommodate all the different sections of the people. Clear? Or giving chances to everyone in the decision making. Clear? Is that idea is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So that is the third method of power sharing. Okay, system of power sharing. So first of all, we discussed about the horizontal power sharing. Second one, we discussed about a vertical power sharing. Now, power sharing among the different social group. So write down the question. Write a shorthand on the power sharing among the different social groups. Different social groups. Different social groups. Okay. Now it is the fourth one. So you got that answer. Okay, this is the third point. Important points only want to write there. Okay, fourth one. Power sharing arrangements can also be seen in a way political parties, pressure groups, and movements control or influence those in power. Okay, so another way of power sharing is, okay, power is shared by the political groups. I mean, political parties, groups, and movements. Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Eva George, your microphone is on, I think. Eva, please turn off your microphone. Okay, so number of political parties also participating in elections, we know that, right? And the political parties also have the power to make some changes in the decision that made by the government. Yes or no? Basically, the opposition parties, we know that. If the ruling party took any decision that is not good for the people, anyway, the opposition party will react. Clear? The opposition party will criticize the government. So the government will change the policies or change the programs. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Opposition party leader in Kerala,
Yes, sir.
opposition party leader in Kerala.
Manjandi.
Chandi, wrong answer.
Chinithala.
Chenithala, Ramesh Chenithala. Okay. Chandi is the former chief minister and is the party member from Congress again, and accepting that. And at the same time, it is Ramesh Chenithala, the opposition party leader of Kerala. So you can see number of statements that made by Ramesh Chenithala, okay, or media conferences, okay, by Ramesh Chenithala that criticizing the government policies and programs. Ever watched? No, no. Okay. No. Okay. So in television, one program is there. It's called to be news. Okay. If it is possible, try to watch. Okay. And understand the things that what happening around us. Okay. So just 10 to 20 minutes every day, please consume to know the things. Okay. Clear? Understand everyone, the student of political science, the student of social science, and a normal human being every day want to spend some time to understand the things that what going on around or going around us. Okay. Clear or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
don't worry. So we will complete this chapter in the next class. Okay. So it's the time to wind up. And you people, next period also, our period only, that is for geography, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you take 5 minutes break and join within a 9:35. Okay. 9:35. Clear?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. The same board. Okay. Thank you.